Hello buddies, welcome to our channel Ravi Dream World. Today we are going to draw an easy drawing and it is a beautiful chick sitting in a cup. So let's get started.
First of all, to draw this diagram, we need to draw the outline of the chick. So let's start drawing a circle for chick's head. Then you have to leave a small portion right at the top of the chick head. Then make a grass-like structure which makes the chick look more cute. And afterwards we have to continue the rest of the head. Don't draw a complete circle but draw as shown in the video. Then we need to draw a cup shape. So for that we need to first draw a curve on the left hand side. Then we need to make sure the bottom of the chick head should touch the tip of the cup. Then we need to draw another curve on the right hand side. Then we need to attach these two curves with help of a line. After this we need to draw the rest of the cup shape. So for this we need to just simply draw a U shape from the bottom of the cup, just like this. Then we need to leave a small portion on the right hand side because there we need to draw the handle of the cup. And don't worry, it's very easy to draw the handle of the cup, just we need to make the shape twice to make the handle look more realistic. After this we need to again attach the bottom of the chick head to the tip of the cup. Then we need to simply take the eraser and just rub the region where we have attached before on both sides. Just we need to draw like small waves from the region we rubbed to the tip of the cup so that we could make this chick look more cute and fluffy with full of hair. After this we need to draw the eyes of the chick, and it's not the eye which we draw every time, just we're making it look more unique from the rest of the eyes. So for drawing them we need to draw curves on the both side of the head, then a slanting line at the bottom of the curves which we have drawn before. Then now we have to draw another curve which touches the slanting line and goes upward. Then a small circle. Then at the top of the eye we need to just shade it. So we basically need to just divide the eye into two parts, the top one and bottom. Top needs to be shaded a bit darker than the bottom one. Just here we need to remember the shading pattern should be different. That is, at the top it should be darker and at the bottom it need to be lighter. If you follow these instructions we can make these eyes perfectly. After this we need to just follow the steps which we have done to draw the left hand side eye. So after making the eye, we need to go to the next part. That is, we need to draw the eyebrows. After this we need to draw the beak of the chick by drawing a kite shape. Then we need to draw a V shape in the middle. So after this we need to draw the circles in the cup. You can draw as many circles you want, but don't draw too many circles as it looks too clumsy. Otherwise you can follow the video and draw the circles.
Now it's shading time.
After this, to add more beauty to this picture, we need to draw a heart shape at the top of the check and just shade only half of the portion of the heart shape and let the other half remain white. Then we need to draw circles on two sides and shade them lightly, which makes the chick look more expressive. Hooray! Our art is ready. And I think it's very simple to draw, and it is a drawing done mainly for the beginners so that they can easily complete this diagram and build up their confidence in their art skills. So meet you all in our next video, so stay tuned and stay safe at home.
If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ravi Dream World, and also click the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos. Watch our another special video on Father's Day.